Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, AlphaMex. Today I'll be doing an AMD Ryzen 9 build inside a HS 420 case with the RTX 5090. This all started with the 5090, and then I kind of decided everything from there. For the motherboard, we'll be going with a Gigabyte Aorus Pro Ice X870. For the RAM, we'll be going with 64 gigs of the Trident Z Royale CL26 6000 megahertz. For storage, we'll be going with the 990 Pro by Samsung. For the processor, it is actually a 9950X, the 16-core 32-thread. For power, we'll be going with the LIAN PowerEdge Series 1300 watt. For the cooling side, we'll be going with the AlphaCool 240 Compress combo, the AlphaCool UT60 LIAN fans. Some are reverse played depending on where I'm putting them in the case. A couple of them are 140 for the back of the case. And the streamer LEDs for aesthetics. And that'll be it. Let's get started.
Around you, wherever you go, girl, I know where to find you. Do you think I'm crazy for choosing love? Baby, I wanna be with you for the long. I think I wanna make it go on and on. Baby, I think I'm craving your vibe, your vibe. Oh no, I called you plenty, how you wanna run? Should have got a warning, have you had enough? Want me to fuck it tonight? I'm on a Friday tonight. I'm changing your black light.
Alright guys, that concludes my Ryzen 9 build. Everything went smooth for the most part. I had to change some things around, like move the distro plate down and then add a second radiator up top because of fitment issues with the RTX 5090 and just how big that card is from Gigabyte. I thought there was going to be possible airflow issues with having a big radiator like that on the bottom, but after running some tests, the temperatures were actually still pretty good. I think it's just because of all the positive air in this case. One of the big selling factors for it was the bottom fan. I just haven't seen that in a really long time. And this is my old build. It was the Y60 with the i7 14700K with the RTX 3090 graphics card. It was a really good system. It was just time to move on to something bigger because I've been doing a lot of bigger projects. If you guys like what you saw, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.